Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Walaikum assalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
How are you?
I am fine, thank you.
What is your name?
My name is Hafizur Barlaskar. Where is your home?
My home is at Ratanpur, Part 1, Hailakandi, Assam. Where is your home?
My home is at Ratanpur, Part 1.
What is your father's name?
My father's name is Islamuddin Lashkar.
What is your mother's name?
My mother's name is Rustana Begum Lashkar. What is your mother's name?
My mother's name is Waliuddin Majumdar.
What is your mother's name?
My mother's name is Anjumanur Majumdar. What class do you read in?
I read in class 7.
Are you a student?
Yes, I am a student. What class do you read in?
I read in class 7.
Are you a student?
Yes, I am a student. What do you want to become?
I want to become a doctor.
Do you like to play badminton?
Yes, I like to play badminton. What do you want to become?
I want to become an Indian IPS officer.
Do you like to play badminton?
Yes, I like to play badminton. How old are you?
I am 11 years old. How old are you?
I am 11 years old. What is the name of your school?
The name of my school is Brilliant Public School. What is the name of your school?
The name of my school is Brilliant Public School.